The Supreme Court heard arguments in a case today involving a 17-year-old woman who showed up at her interview at an Abercrombie Fitch store in Tulsa, Oklahoma, wearing a black headscarf, or hijab. She was Muslim, and the company has a policy, or at the time did have a policy, against wearing caps or anything on your head, as well as black clothing. She never said at her interview that she was Muslim or that she would like to wear a headscarf to work. And she impressed the women who interviewed her. But after further consultation with other supervisors at Abercrombie Fitch, the woman was not offered a job because of the headscarf. And she filed a lawsuit through the Equal Employment Opportunity Commission, and that's the case that the Supreme Court heard today. The Supreme Court seemed very inclined to side with the woman in this case. This case really revolves around what an employer must do to find out whether an employee or a job applicant has a particular religious belief that has to be accommodated in the workplace. Abercrombie Fitch's defense is that someone who needs a religious accommodation, whether it's a worker or a job applicant, has to make that clear, that employers can't be in the position of making assumptions about a worker or an applicant's religion, because to do so would run into a whole other set of problems. The lawyer at the Supreme Court today said you don't want employers stereotyping people who appear before them for job interviews. But the court really didn't seem to buy that.